Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? My name is Priscilla and karibuni sana hapa kwa channel yetu ya Urembo. Urembo Creations. I am loving this week, guys. It's so amazing. And for today's video, I want to show you how you can achieve this. This is a nice simple ombre lip, a minute or less and you're done. And I'm just using lip pencils. Let's watch. Hello, how are you? Urembo mnaendeleaje leo? Mimi niko salama. I have so much love to offer. You see, even my pins are just love hearts because that is how much I love you. So anyway, for this video, I want to show you how you can create an ombre lip with your lip pencils. This is how I do it. I will always start with the darker shade outside. And for this case, like for example, if these are the pencils that I want to use, I don't know if they're going to focus here, there. If these are the pencils that I want to use, I'm going to start with the red one because this is the darker shade of these two. But if I'm going to be using this two, let me do this again so you can see. If I'm going to be using this two, I'll definitely pick the darker one. They're almost the same, but this one here, this one is darker than this one. Let me put them against each other so you can see. There you go. Or alternatively, I could even go with the darker pencil like this one, you know, and then use this and this one over here like that. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to start by lining my lips in this one, and always make sure that your lips are not so dry. Usianze kupaka kama lips imekauka sana. This is Vaseline. That's what I'm using on my lips. Yeah, that feels good. Alafu sasa tupake. So unachukua pencil yako. You can stretch your lips a little bit so that it's neat like this. Tengeneza your first X and then natuongelele my X hapa. Any X ya lips. Okay, let me keep quiet and finish this. Like that. So you round, you go all round. Lakini upaki hapa katikati. Remember, we are doing an ombre lip, so we'll use another color hapo katikati. I really like how this feels. It's so moisturizing and at the same time it's well pigmented. I love it. So now I'm going to that other shade hapo katikati. Alright, there you go. That's how you do it. Easy peasy. I like this, especially because it takes so little time. I don't have to concentrate so much, unlike the matte lipstick, the matte liquid lipstick, where you have to really pay attention when you're doing this. Or the moisturizing lipsticks, they might move, but this is in between. It's moisturizing and at the same time it just gives me what I want, and I like it. So thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, bye.